Local nonprofit that focuses on resources for the Hispanic and Latino community, calling on neighbors to help everyone feel safe, respected, and valued in Brown County.
Comes after executive orders from President Trump on immigration policies. Emily Byers shares what you need to know if you're fearful about recent legal developments on immigration policy. Emily.
Bill and Cami, the National Immigration Law Center tells me families who are affected by these changes should be having talks about immigration status right now.
The National Immigration Law Center is advising families with immigration concerns to have hard conversations despite personal fears.
Families should talk about what might happen if any one of the family members is caught up in some kind of enforcement action. That means families being sure that each person who does have immigration status carries evidence of that status with them. Copies are fine, but carrying evidence of that status with them.
The advocacy group encourages families to plan for where children can go and who can care for them if their parent or legal guardian is detained. It also suggests giving children paper copies of important phone numbers of relatives. Legal experts stress planning is power, as is the importance of knowing your rights. Constitutional protections apply regardless of citizenship status. That includes your right to remain silent and to speak to an attorney. Immigration officers have to show a warrant signed by a judicial official. They cannot go into private areas such as your home.
If it's not a place that someone from the public can walk into off the street without identifying themselves or showing any kind of permission to be there, then it's a private space, and that space is off limit to law enforcement without a warrant.
Ongoing policy changes and updates can be distressing for affected families. Another local nonprofit that serves the Hispanic community, Casa Alba Melanie, issuing a statement calling on community members, stating in part, quote, "I firmly believe all immigrant families are an asset to Brown County and deserve to feel safe, respected, and valued in their places of work, in our schools, in our churches, and in public places. I ask the residents of Brown County to do their part in making all families feel welcomed in our area, regardless of immigration status, country of origin, language preference, and any other personal identities." End quote. Bottom line, families who may be affected by these changes should stay aware of immigration changes.
First, prepare, don't panic. Second, make sure you're getting your information from a reliable source. There's tons of rumors and fear-mongering spreading around out there.
And now we have several resources for you, including a family preparedness plan. We have that in English and in Spanish for you. There are also resources for finding an immigration attorney if you find yourself needing one. Bill and Cami.